Hello everyone! Welcome back to another Plan With Me video. I'm going to show you how I organize my bullet journal for the new school year. First of all, I want to apologize for the extreme speed of the video. I was editing it, then the original file got corrupted and I ended up with this stupidly fast video. I'm sorry. You can speed it down from the YouTube settings if you wish to. I will put all the information of the pages in the description box down below. I will let you enjoy the music till the end of the video, since what I'm doing is pretty self-explanatory.